We're looking at homework from section 2.2. This is question number 17. Use a time series chart to display the data shown in the table below. The table represents the percentages of the gross domestic product, GDP, of a country that comes from the manufacturing sector. Construct a time series graph with the year on the horizontal axis and the percentage on the vertical axis. So we have our data values here, and when we look at the data, we see from 2000 to 2011, there seems to be a downward trend, 13.6, 13.2. It goes up a little at 13.3, but then it continues down, down, down until it gets to 2009. And then at the end, it goes up and up. So we're looking for one of these time series charts that has a downward motion from left to right, but then at the end, it turns up a little bit. A has a pretty steady downward motion, C has a pretty steady upward motion, and D has an up and down upward motion. But B has a pretty steady downward motion. There's a little tick at the beginning that goes back up and then continues to go down, but then it bounces up at the end. So we're going to choose graph B. Describe the trend. Well, which one of these things describes graph B? And the correct answer here is D. The percentage of GDP that came from the manufacturing sector decreased from 2000 to 2009, then began increasing. So that would be how I would characterize that. And that's your answer.